Hello and welcome to video number 12 of the EDS education program. This video presents general details about EDS reports. Reports are grouped into two sections: server reports and model reports. In this video we explain how to access each of these groups and what type of data may be generated by each group. The video focuses on a few specific reports to give the user a starting point for data analysis. In order to access the Server Reports section, please click on the button labeled Show Server Reports menu. This will activate a window as displayed on the right-hand side of the screen. This window contains a list of currently loaded models. You may use the checkbox near each model to include the model in the report. It contains fields for filtering data by dates. It displays where the data file which contains the data will be located. And it has a button that activates the report, and a button that exports the data to a CSV file. The current version of the EDS contains 7 reports at the server level. Report number 1, events count per model for the specific time period. Report number 2, events count per model per month. This is a more detailed version of report number 1. Report number 3, events count per model per detector. This is another version of report number 1 from the detector's point of view. It helps determine which of the detectors is a troublemaker. Report number 4, minutes count per detector per week above delay time. This report helps determine which detectors are triggered for a substantial amount of time. Report number 5, this report presents an overview of events count per model classified by several attributes: true, false, other, ignore, and not classified. Report number 6, this report presents the events count per model detector and variables for a given period. Report number 7, this report provides the same information as report number 6, but the data is grouped not according to variables but according to event group classification. This report may help detect common causes for events. This is an example of server report number 5. When you click the Generate Report button, a table with a line for each model appears. The first column shows how many total events happened during the learning period. Note that the learning period is defined in the model setup page. The next column, labeled NC, shows the total not classified events. False means events that were classified as false alarms by the user. Ignore means events that were classified as ignore by the user. These events are like events that were classified as other and do not influence a detector's total ranking. True means events that were classified as true by the user. And finally, triggered events show events which are currently triggered. In order to activate the model level report, please click on the reports icon in the model panel. Model level reports are more specific, but can only be generated for each model separately. Once you click the report icon, a panel will pop up as shown on the right-hand side of the screen. This is the model level report panel. This is the list of reports that can be generated by the model level report panel. Report number 1 shows the model's configuration. Report number 2 presents a general view of a detector's performance. Report number 3 gives quantiles for events time length, and for each combination of detectors and variables. This report may be useful for setting a detector's delay time. Report number 4, this report enables the user to retrieve the number of events relative to classification and groups. It also provides a detailed list of all events, each with its own attributes. Report number 5 presents the data distribution of each variable. Report number 6 provides an event count by the day and the hour. Report number 7 shows how statistical limits change over time during the learning period. Report number 8 shows the stability of the multi-parameter measurements. Report number 9, this is an audit for the variable setup, which enables the user to verify changes in the variable setup. As an example, we will now look at a sample report. Let's look at report 3. This report shows quantiles for length of events. We will now focus on the report's marked line, which is the length distribution of the violation of statistical limits by turbidity measurement. As can be seen, the total number of events for this detector was 212. It can also be seen that the median of the event's length was 35 minutes. It is also evident that if we set the delay time for this detector at more than 8 hours, 80% of the events will be eliminated. This gives the user very useful information for the detector's setup. This slide ends our short EDS education program. We hope it was informative and interesting. We encourage you to visit our website in order to view more informative videos about the EDS and water quality events detection. Thank you for completing our 12-part short education program. For further information, please go to our website.